Curious about what those warning lights on your 2024 Cadillac XT6 dashboard really mean? Wondering how to read the instrument cluster and respond to alerts effectively? In this guide, we'll explore the meanings behind each indicator light, helping you stay informed, safe, and in control while driving your XT6. If we talk about its interior, the dashboard offers sleek design and advanced user-friendly technology. The touchscreen controls navigation and media, while the instrument cluster displays speed, fuel, and alerts. Door controls manage the locking, unlocking, and adjustment of vehicle doors for convenience and safety. Climate controls allow you to adjust the temperature, airflow, and fan speed for comfort inside the vehicle.
Instrument cluster.
Cluster indicators. Airbag warning light, seatbelt warning light, all-wheel drive light, anti-lock brake system warning light, electronic brake force distribution system warning light, parking brake warning light, vehicle ahead indicator, charging system warning light, malfunction indicator lamp, lane safety indicator light, engine oil pressure light, electric parking brake light, stably track off light, performance shifting light, traction control system, security light, cruise control light, high beam indicator light, low fuel level warning light, door ajar light, adaptive cruise control light, lamps on reminder, front passenger seat belt reminder light, IntelliBeam light, super cruise light, pedestrian ahead indicator, service electric parking brake light, traction off light, passenger airbag status indicator, tire pressure light, driver mode control light, curve speed control light, safety precautions, know your symbols, immediate attention. Don't ignore a flashing symbol. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use an OBD2 scanner for diagnostics. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Thank you for watching.